Hi, you are welcome to Basil Industries. So we are going to produce here corrugated boxes and soap, and we are already producing sanitary pads and toilet paper rolls. Myself, Anil Kumar, I'm working as a plant manager over here. This factory was under construction last 2 years. So we are almost finished, 99% construction works are done. Now we are final stage installing our corrugated boxes machines and soap machines. So I would like to show you our warehouse and machine plant, everything. See, behind there is some raw material. Still more raw materials are on the way. Now this is for corrugated boxes raw material over here. So we are importing from China, Egypt, Tanzania some paper rolls, and also Germany, Russia. So some raw materials are coming from India. This is this which you are seeing here. This is for boxes. We are going to make a corrugated boxes. So various kinds of whatever. Like bottle packagings and material by biscuit, other type of any finished good product. The final packaging we can make it. Yeah, this is our toilet paper production unit. You can see our finished products are here. So like these bags we can produce around. In 24 hours of working, we can make 800 bags like this. Yeah, now you can see this our finished product of toilet paper roll. This paper is we are importing from China. This is China and various places where good quality available. It is because we are looking only 100% virgin quality paper. Look at these tanks. This is a part of soap plant. Part of soap, this is called storage tanks. The main raw material is oil and some other soap chemical. There are some 7-8 various type of raw material we are going to use it. So this is we are focusing from Indonesia, India. So oils are going to be imported over here. So this is under construction stage. So plant is installed because it is 80% work is done already. 20% will be within 2 months, it will be in production stage. Can produce up to 24 metric tons of every day. So this plant has capacity to make various kind of soaps like bath soap, bathing soap and laundry soap. At present we are going to focus only laundry soap. This is our sanitary pad making machine. This machine has capacity 200,000 in an 8-hour shift. 24 hours we can make around 500,000 ladies pad. So this is also raw material. Most all the raw material it is imported. This is the final product and this is the packed. This is 10 pieces are in a pack. And you know what is the importance of this? You know that these ladies will become comfortable. We want to reach with this each and every village. All our ladies supposed to use this hygiene way. The quality of life we want to improve in the country. That is our focus. That's why we are making a good quality with a hygiene way. And this all raw materials are importing from abroad. This is some kind of film, PP film, and some type of pulp, and some glues are there for sticking purpose. You can have a look over there. You can have a look. We have been using around 9 type of different raw materials. Yeah. This is a long process. That's why this is the long machine you look. So, have you seen this? This is the product. This is the part of corrugated box production. So this machine particularly customize the boxes. Customize the boxes means as customer needed a full color printing, their logos, their product photo, everything can be printed on this machine. So 24 hours we can make it 150,000 box like that according to the box sizes. This is the board going to feed to this machine. Then finally this machine will make a size of boxes according to the folding, cutting, everything do by this machine along with the printing. Printing, yeah, this is a sample box. It is not yet started production. We will, after installation of that production, as I said, 2 month time it is going to be in production stage. Now we are entering to our corrugated box plant. This is the main machine for the boxes. Here we are going to make the board. Then this board going to be supplied the other machine, which I show you. Yeah. So this is installation stage now. This installation also little bit long process, 1 to 2 months. The installation will be completed and it will be in a production stage. This is a steam boiler. Steam boiler we brought from India. It is very necessary equipment for corrugated board production. This is producing steam and steam supplying to the between the paper. Boxes are making with several paper together. So steam is very important part for very important for the production. Yeah. So this working on engineers are working on to the supply lines. Yeah. And as well the installation is going over there. So see the machines. The machine is, you see, this is a board machine, corrugated board machines. Okay. So the process is we are loading those raw material which I show you, paper rolls. Paper rolls, you see several stands, reel stands are there. At that time, 10 or 12 reels will be loaded on the machine. It will go together and apply the steam, glue. After it is coming a form of board. This is the board we are supplying to other printing machine.